Hey guys, Rob from Ultimate Diesel Tuning. Hope you're well. Let's talk about the 1VD 4.5 litre single turbo engine found in the 70 series Toyota Landcruisers. For a big turbocharged V8 engine, the power and torque they produce from factory is actually quite underwhelming. They have a lack of response down low in the rev range and really struggle off-road and also trying to tow a heavy load. If you've bought one of these, well, you might be feeling a little bit disappointed in its performance. Well, what we do here at Ultimate Diesel is we totally transform the performance of these vehicles and improve the power and torque. By our engineers performing just a custom dyno tune only, we give them huge amounts of torque and really improve the lag down low. On top of that, fuel economy is generally also improved too, all done safely and reliably. The 70 series is one of the most common vehicles we tune here at Ultimate Diesel Tuning, and on average we're seeing about 70% gain in torque. If you want more torque than this, then we do have other power upgrade options available as well. Check out just a handful of the 1,000 that we've enhanced and custom dyno tuned. So as you just saw guys, it's pretty impressive stuff. If you've got one of these 70 series Land Cruisers, give us a call and we'll show you what we can do for your vehicle.